Welcome to the month of February and this month's Trusted Toolbox newsletter, where we love our customers because we have just crested 1,000 Google reviews. That's an incredible feat for a company of our size, and we want to thank everyone who's taken the time to go out there and review us. It means the world to all of us here at the team that we have done a great job for you. In this month's newsletter, you're going to see things about aging in place and how to build a proper ramp. We can help you with all of that, and we've helped a number of people here in just the last month alone install grab bars and help them easily access their home. You're also going to see ideas that are going on in bedrooms and in fireplaces to give you ideas of where technology can actually be incorporated in all those areas as well. The thing I'm proudest of is that I just had a national letter go out that talked about how much you should budget from a nationally known Danny Lipford. And Danny said you should budget between 1% and 2% of your home value. I've been saying that for 16 years, and you should be budgeting 1% of your home value every year for just maintenance, caulking, taking care of the weather stripping around, maybe making sure the deck has been tightened up and safe for everybody. So make sure you're budgeting that and give us a call to Trusted Toolbox, where our handyman for a day could help you out. In the meantime, everybody, celebrate this month of love, and we hope you all had a great Groundhog Day and Happy Valentine's Day.